Cute patootie. Bella. Mother dog said, what's that odd one out doing here? Amelia. Oh, hello. You're so cute. I love this. Hi, boo-boo.
Let's get.
Oh, Amelia, she's going out. She does it still. Wow, hi, donkey. Hey, look at the baby inside. It's so cute.
Cutie.
Yeah. Which one looks like you then? Is that on you?
Yeah, because I'm a big girl. So that one.
Whoa.
Whoa. Look at this cow. It is real.
Oh, man.
She's asking me, Mom, is it real?
Yeah,
That is real, baby. It's so big, isn't it? Hi, baby. Not too close, baby. Ooh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's a black one.
Oh, look at this.
Amelia, did you say these were your favourite animals
What's
though?
your favorite? Which one?
Sheep.
You want this sheep? Oh. Oh, it's wet.
Mm.
It is a bandage.
Hello. Hello.
Look at Isabella. Oh, this one. Look at this little one. Hi. Hi. Isabella likes it. Isabella wants to kiss it. She's having so much fun. Look at this baby. Oh, Amelia, you're so cute. Yeah, okay, baby. They're nice. They're all nice. Yes, baby. You can touch it, but you can't have it. She said, can I have this one?
Yeah. What about that little one there? That's cute.
That's your favorite. Why?
And Amelia, what is it you like about this giraffe then? That's so crazy.
I want the little piglets. I want to wear the piglets.
Here's a couple of little piglets.
Oh no!
Good job, Amelia. Good job. Yeah, it likes your stroke. Like the way you stroke it. Oh, that's Mommy's braids. Isabella loves Mommy's braids. Don't mess it up. Ah! That's the mommy sleeping. The newly born. Oh, there's just one piglet. The piglet is sleeping there. Hi, cutie patootie bear. Oh, so cute. I love piglets. It's coming here. It's like a puppy. Oh, so cute. They were sleeping earlier. I couldn't take a video. I'm usually scared to get close to a turkey, but these turkeys are nice. They're usually aggressive. And look, the donkey is drinking milk from its mommy.
That's what you used to do to your mummy.
He used to drink milk from mommy too. Huh? Oh, they're cute. Oh, they're so cute. Cutie patootie. Oh, you're so cutie patootie.
Let me see that face. Oh, good job. Now give it a kiss. Nah, not really.
Why?
Because that's gross.
Quack, 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 quack. Where are you guys going?
Why you?
Five little ducks went walking one day
Look at this.
over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, "What's that odd one out doing here?" I like this because it's white.
Oh, I like it.
And it's so
Mommy,
cute.
You can have that white one there.
That's not pure white though.
Yeah, you can have that.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, baby, the tummy is so soft.
It really it laid down, did it?
Yeah, you should have taken a video of that. It's so cute.
Why don't you go back to it then when it laid?
You're so cute. I love pigs. I love you, pigs.
What do you think is cuter, a piglet or a rash of bacon?
You're crazy. I don't eat bacon anymore.
Yeah, right. Oh look, he did roll over.
Oh, see?
Pigs are cute. Cuties. That's nice, Amelia.
Beautiful. Sit back a little bit. On your lap.
Oh, this is cool.
Okay, hold it there. And use your other hand. And you choose the other hand as well.
That's it, Amelia.
Good
Oh,
girl.
my granddaughter is Amelia.
Isabella, look.
Okay.
Aww. You hold it, Amelia. You hold it. You hold it.
Oh, what are you doing?
Why do they have cool hair? They have cool haircuts like that.
I think they need a gel. Give them a gel.
They've clearly had a good blow dry, haven't they?
Yeah.
Amazing hair.
Volumized hair. I haven't seen a
Wow.
dog like that before.
Right, let's see a little chicken dance now. Do the chicken dance.
Do a chicken dance. How's the chicken dance?
Do it again, do it again. Yeah,
Chicken dance.
Dance.
A goat? How is a goat dance? A ghost or a goat?
Yeah! That's a good
That
one.
is a good one.
That's a... Who we got here, Amelia?
It's a doggy. Woof, woof. Look, doggy.
The farm dog, I think. Rock-a-bye doggy.
On a hay.
On a hay top.
Little star, how I wonder what we are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder.
Amelia, stop it.
Cool. Look at that. That's the rain coming down. Then turn here and you can see a rainbow. Time to go home. Beautiful rainbow.